little part we got to add to this. And we got with the graph to that. Got this graph here. Intervals of range. Well, yeah, but we need numbers. Jason? I'll take that off a little bit. So, decreasing. This is where the graph is decreasing. Everybody all right with that? As we go from left to right, decreasing means it's going down. Okay? When we talk about the interval is talking about the x values. So the x value there is actually at -3. So, Kason, you were off a little bit, but that's hard to see from your seat, so I took -4. Where it stops right there is at +4. So we're talking for an interval from -3 to +4. Okay? So when asked intervals, intervals are x values. One of y'all said the y values up and down. We want to go the x values, okay? That. All right, so then with the intervals, we also got from A to B here. We could just we need increasing or decreasing, and we need linear or nonlinear. Ron? Yeah. So right there, that is linear. As we go from A to B, left to right, we are getting higher. That line, not a straight line. There is a makes it nonlinear. We're talking either linear. The x-axis, not all of them, but most of them. Y-axis is going to vary. We got to pay attention to what the this one. So Ashley, what? What is? Last class left off the same part also. Y'all are saying temperature's decreasing as the time increases, which is what that shows right there. Y'all, what's happening right here, though? Well, my line went crooked. But if we followed the line that was graphed, right? We got to pay. There's with the correct graph or scenario. So we got that same graph. Now we got some answer choices. We need to know which best matches the graph. So A says a cake is taken out of the oven and left on the table to cool. B says a pie is taken out of the freezer and is baking in the oven. C says a cold oven is preheating to a warm oven is turned up to higher temperature. So who thinks they can tell me the right answer? Prince? Said the temperature was going down. So the temperature's got to decrease. Then it's eventually staying the same. This one talks about cooling. All right, A says it's taken out of the oven and left on a table to cool. Is not the same temperature. So when it's and eventually it reaches room temperature and stays that temperature. So that's why it stays flat. About something that's cooler. So this one we got Tia is filling a bathtub at a constant rate full until the bathtub is full. A is correct. So she turned the water on and begins filling the tub at a constant rate. Constant rates mean we got a straight line. So all of these start off with the constant rate. So that doesn't eliminate anything. Then it says she turned the water off and some of the water drains out of the tub. The water Then she turns on the water back on at the same rate. So that means it has to start increasing at the exact same rate. This one has a flat line there. That doesn't work. So that's why A is the correct answer. Any actual like multiplying, subtracting, pretty easy then. You do have to read carefully. Pay attention to what you're doing. That's the part that can be a little difficult.